Alright, so in this video we're checking out this USB-C hub, and it's from a company called Zang Master, and this is the SZPW10P, it's the 10-in-1 docking station, and comes with all of these connections here. I'll take this all apart here momentarily and I'll show you the dock in more detail, but I just got it hooked up to my Razer laptop here and have it on an external monitor. The highlight of this product is that it has PD 100 watt pass-through charging on the USB-C port here, and it just plugs into your USB-C port on the laptop. Do note that this USB-C port is for charging only, it's for power only. I did try and plug in a USB-C SSD and did not work, so be aware of that. It does have a micro SD card slot, a SD card slot, and 3 USB-A ports, USB 3.0, which is 5 gigabits max, and I do have a SanDisk SSD on here, and it does transfer data totally fine. It's very fast, but again, maximum 5 gigabits per second, no USB 3.1 or 3.2, so if you want 10 gigabits, then this dock isn't going to work for you. It does have an audio out jack port there for your 3.5mm speakers. Other side here is the VGA port and Ethernet port, which I can't test because I don't have any VGA monitors anymore or any Ethernet devices. And you can see here I just have this on HDMI on just a small little side monitor. I'm playing a video on here, and that's just like 1080p. But the HDMI will go up to 4K at 60 Hertz, 30 frames per second. And just to cover everything here in the back of the box there, you have your 100 watt power delivery port, HDMI, VGA, and gigabit Ethernet, audio jack, USB-A, and SD card slots. The dimensions are 134.6 long by 44.2 wide by 15.7 high. It is aluminum, so it's alloy aluminum. And if you're looking for a different type of docking station, maybe a smaller one that doesn't have as many ports, they do have other ones listed on the same links. So check the link in the description. And it does come in different colors as well. Not much sure what the current price is. Right now it changes constantly, as everything does on Amazon. So check the link in the description, and if there's a coupon code, there might be one either in the description or it might be on the product page. One of those where you have to clip the coupon and check the checkbox. Those pop up occasionally, so if you're looking to get this at a discount, then those will appear over there. But for my testing, everything has been working out so far okay. One thing to note is when you unplug and plug stuff in, like say for USB and the USB-A ports, for example, or maybe you disconnect the power, this thing seems to do a reset, and when it does the reset, the monitor will disconnect and reconnect. So what will happen is it'll go, anything that's on this desktop over here will then switch over to the main monitor, which is a Windows thing, but then this will power back on. I'm not sure why this particular hub does that. I have another USB-C hub. It's not a 10-in-1. It's got 5 ports and it doesn't do that. So this might be a driver issue, perhaps. There's something I just wanted to let you, make you aware of, and also again that the USB-A ports are 5 gigabits only. I really wish this would have come with USB-C ports as well, instead of the VGA and HDMI, or not the VGA, the VGA and the Ethernet, which are kind of useless to me. So they may come out with different versions in the future. So again, if you're looking for different versions, I believe they'll also be at the same link that's in the video description. But yeah, pretty quick video here. Everything seems to be okay so far. It has a nice little heatsink here on top. It is kind of warm. Oh, I did promise to take this off. Let me show you what it looks like up close. Alright, so here it is, kind of a silver gunmetal color, pretty nice. The build quality is pretty good, and I've been running it for about half an hour now. It's fairly warm, and you can tell the heatsink is definitely doing its job. But here are the ports there, pretty standard, nothing here on the bottom. Cable here is roughly 8 inches, so not super long, standard USB-C. And then here are the other side. Again, that USB-C port here is only for power only, and does up to 100 watts for your charging of your laptop, 4K HDMI, 1080p on the VGA, and then you get your 1 gigabit Ethernet port. So yeah, that'll do it for this video. If you guys want to check it out, link in the description. Questions, comments, let me know in the comment section below. Talk to you guys in the next one.